There are two key strategies parents can draw on to reduce homework hassles. The first is to establish clear routines around homework, including when and where homework gets done. Find a location in the house where your child can concentrate. But keep in mind, everyone works differently. Some kids need to be alone to think. Others are more productive when someone else is in the room with them. Discuss the pros and cons of different settings and help them decide what space is a best fit for them. Once you designate a homework space, schedule a regular time for homework. Kids should get in the habit of doing homework at the same time every day. But again, help them figure out what's best for them. Some kids need a break right after school to get exercise or have a snack. Others need to start homework while they're still in school mode. The second key strategy is using rewards and incentives. For some kids, good grades aren't enough of an incentive. A reward doesn't have to be fancy. It can be as simple as reminding them of a fun activity they can do when their homework is done. Kids with more significant problems doing homework might require a more elaborate incentive system, which involves more planning. You might set up a structure where a child can earn points towards privileges or larger rewards. But keep in mind, like choosing a time and place for homework, reward systems work best when parents and kids develop them together. When kids have input and make their own choices, it gives them a sense of control and ownership, making the system more likely to succeed. For help developing a homework reward system, as well as homework planners and incentive sheets that you can download and print, click the link below. For more information about helping kids with schoolwork, visit childmind.org.